Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ESLint and Prettier for consistent UI code step by step clearly. To install ESLint and Prettier for consistent UI code, start by opening your terminal. Navigate to your project directory using the command cd your project name. Next, ensure you have node.js installed. You can check your node.js version by running node-v. If node.js is not installed, download and install it from the official website. Once node.js is installed, initialize your project with npm init. This command creates a package.json file in your project directory. Now let's install ESLint by running npm install ESLint savedev. After ESLint has been installed, set it up by executing npx ESLint init. Follow the prompts to configure ESLint according to your needs. With ESLint configured, it's time to install Prettier. Run npm install Prettier savedev to add Prettier to your project. Next, create a configuration file for Prettier by running echo.prettier. This creates a basic configuration file for Prettier in your project root. To ensure ESLint and Prettier work together, you'll need to install an ESLint plugin. Run npm install ESLint config Prettier ESLint plugin Prettier savedev. Now, update your ESLint configuration file to include the Prettier plugin. Add plugin to Prettier/recommended to the extends section of your .eslintric file. Save your changes to the configuration file. To make sure everything is working, create a sample JavaScript file. Add some code that will trigger ESLint and Prettier rules. Run npx ESLint yourfile.js to check for linting errors. If there are any issues, ESLint will provide feedback in the terminal. To format your code using Prettier, run npx Prettier write yourfile.js. This command will automatically format your code according to the Prettier rules. Finally, consider adding a script to your package.json for easy access. Under the scripts section, add a format command like format Prettier write. Now, you can quickly format your entire project by running npm run format. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.